Imagine waking up with the mindset of a world-class chef. You're ready to whip up the tastiest version of your life. Hi, I'm Sean, and today we're not just talking about another day. We're talking about the secret sauce to transforming an ordinary day. Turn any day into a Michelin star experience. You don't need a fancy calendar or a magic wand. Start cooking up success without waiting until next Monday. It's about having that pivotal day where you say it's now or never. Ooh. Most people browse motivational videos like a lost tourist at a food festival. They hope to find the perfect dish without stepping into the kitchen. Today, we're going to flip that script. Let's start by acknowledging the little fibs we tell ourselves. Confessing, "I'll start tomorrow" moments is like admitting too much salt. Write down the top 3 excuses you marinate in. Maybe it's, "I don't have the ingredients," or "I need inspiration." Read them out loud and feel the sting of truth. It's like tasting a bitter lemon sharp, but awakening. Step 2. Clean up your digital pantry. You've got notifications like expired spices cluttering your mental space. Delete 3 apps that make your brain feel like stale bread. Unfollow folks who make you feel less than a perfectly cooked souffle. Turn your phone's display to grayscale for a day. Notice how your mind savors the simple, authentic flavors of life. Next, burn the old identity like flambeing a dessert. Grab a notebook, jot down who you've become that's not serving you. Identify habits souring your potential. Rip up that page, throw it into the fire. Watch limitations smolder away like burnt toast. It's cathartic and liberating. Now on to the warrior hour. Think of it as your kitchen prep. Set a timer for 60 minutes. Spend 20 minutes on a physical workout to shake off cobwebs. Spend 20 minutes of mental dumping. Scribble down every ingredient of thought, insecurity, or aspiration. Spend 20 minutes of stillness to let your mind simmer in silence. No music, just you and your thoughts. It's like a chef tasting his creation. Finally, reset with a fresh sheet of paper. Ask yourself, if I could fix one habit, what would it be? Focus on what you could become in 30 days. Decide who you need to disappoint today to stop disappointing yourself. Sometimes it's a friend. Sometimes it's your own expectations. Circle your answers and pin them up as your culinary blueprint for life. At 9:30 p.m., stand before the mirror and declare, "I showed up today fully." It's like tasting your dish and knowing you nailed it. No half-baked efforts, just raw, real hustle. Most people end their day scrolling to forget wasted time. Ooh, but not you. You faced it and fought it. That changes everything. You're not aiming for perfection, but for realization. If you can cook up success today, you can repeat it. That's how real change happens. Not in the tick-tock of time, but in decisive actions you take. If you follow this recipe for one day, don't just like the video. Come back at 9:30 p.m. and tell me in the comments, "I did it, I showed up." Let's see who's ready to cook up change and who's just hungry for comfort. Your life won't serve itself, but one day can start the feast.